everyone, welcome back to my channel, A Life in High Definition. This is actually A Life in High Def on tour because I am not at home. I am currently in a lovely little beach hut for my sister-in-law's birthday, and the sun was not here this morning. It was cloudy and dark and miserable, and look at it now. Well, you can't see it, but you can see me, right? Glorious sunshine. So I thought, while I'm here, why don't I just do a quick video, because why not? So this month's Betty Box is what it's all about, and it did come a little bit battered, but I'm sure what's inside is fabulous. But if you would like to see what is inside and keep on watching, it would be great if you could give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, don't forget you can share this video, and of course ring the notification bell so you know when I upload. Alright, let's get into the video. Betty Box comes in a plastic bag. It's not usually this battered. I'm just going to pop it down because it's going to fall out everywhere, and it's £12.99 a month, and inside you get pads or tampons or a mixture, and they also do Betty pads, which are smaller, so they're aimed for younger teens because, you know, people are smaller when they're 12 than they are when they're 20. Generally, anyway. So you get a bag like this every month, which you can put in your bag, in your school bag, take to school, in your car, in your drawer, because there's nothing more annoying than going to find your sanitaries and they are loose and contaminated because the bags come off, you know, the outerwears come off. You also get a box for night, and you get a box of more pads for later. Obviously, these are aimed at younger people than me. I mean, I know what you were thinking. You were thinking, oh, I am so young and beautiful. Could I be still that young? No, I'm not. And I'm actually donating them to my local church's food bank because there are lots of people in need. So if you ever have leftovers, make sure you donate them. Okay, this is what everyone really cares about. It's the For You box. And inside are goodies every single month. Sometimes it's makeup, sometimes it's like skincare, well, usually it's a mixture of both, but there's always something to eat and something to drink in here. So let's find our paperwork. This summer we've teamed up with Banzi to bring you super cute For Now bags in celebration of the hair tie brand's new website launching soon at banzi.co.uk. Love the Betty team, so that is nice. So if you haven't guessed, I have changed my location. I am now back at home. The day is ended. I was happily filming away, but then people kept coming up. My niece was playing around and stuff, and I couldn't keep filming. And then I ran out of battery anyway, so I'm at home to finish this video. This is what Betty Box say for this month, and it's pretty. All about ice cream, very nice. Welcome to your summer holiday edit, Betty Box. We cannot wait for the summer holes. 6 long weeks of lions, mates and awesome adventures. What could be better? 6 full-size products in your Betty Box. That's what. 6 full-size products. Thank you very much, Betty Box. This month we're treating you to the Betty Summer Holiday Edit, packed full of tropical treats. Whether you're going camping in Cornwall or surfing in St Kitts, Betty's got your travelling beauty needs covered. And if you're staying here this summer, don't despair. We've included lots of feel-good treats that can be enjoyed anywhere in the world and are guaranteed to keep you smiling. Don't forget to share your thoughts on social media using hashtag #BettyHoliday. Awesome. I can already see something super amazing in there. Do you know what it is? Let's just pull it out first because I can't wait. It's these. Okay, it said everything in here is full size, but I'm pretty sure these are not full size because the normal bag is like twice as big as this. Maybe this is like a full medium size. I don't know. Anyway, I don't care because I really like candy kittens. The sour watermelon gourmet sweets made by Jamie from Made in Chelsea. They're vegan, they're gluten free with natural colours and flavours, made with real fruit juice. Oh, they're made in Germany, aren't they? I didn't realise that it's made in the UK. Produced with a dairy-free recipe, packed in a factory that handles dairy, peanuts and nuts, and they are just delicious. Love them. They say they're sour, but they're not really that sour, so it's fine. Oh, this looks nice. I like this brand. The last one I had was pink, but this is, well, pineapple, so it's perfect. Patisserie de Ban. Made with love in the UK. Pineapple Paradise Hand Cream, 50ml. This is probably full size, I think. Well, obviously it is full size because I said everything's full size this month. Oh dear, small brain. A moisturising hand cream fragrance with a sweet scent of tropical pineapple, and it's suitable for vegans. You'll receive one of 2 totally tropical hand creams, ideal for popping in your bag or pencil case to get you dreaming of exotic beaches and swaying palms. These fun, fruity formulas are vegan and made with love in the UK. Oh, that does really smell of pineapple as well. That smells amazing. Makes me really want an ice lolly. It smells like, I don't know what it is, some kind of ice lolly I've had recently. Anyway, love hand cream. Could always use hand cream, never get enough. And that smells amazing. Right, oh, let's do this one because it looks so cute. Look, it's a little beauty blender with a face, but I think probably in the box it has no face. Just on the outside of the box it has a face. It's a Beauty Junkie makeup sponge. Can't see any information on here, so let's go. Let's go to the info. Blend, contour and strobe away with this beauty bag essential. The curved shape adapts to the contours of your face for a flawless finish. The cute sponge is perfect for applying liquids, creams and powders. Like your new that I haven't opened yet, and you may not have noticed. Oh, it's quite firm, so we'll have to see what it's like when it's wet. It's very spongy. It's like, this is the kind of density that I was given a sponge for to do hand exercises for my fingers. Not for this hand, for my other hand. Interesting, but very cute. Can never have too many sponges really, can you? Just says the angle brush will allow you to create flawless finish and get into the trickiest areas. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to put everything down for this. So this is from Technic and it's Get Gorgeous Highlighter. Sweep over your cheekbones, cupid's bow and under the eyebrows for a gorgeous glow. You receive one of 5 Shimmertastic shades: Original, Peach Candy, 24 Karat Gold, Bronze or Pink Sparkle. Mix and match will get the full set and layer up. The powerful pigments are perfect for creating funky festival looks. And this is from Technic and it looks like that. Doesn't that look beautiful? I love what they've done with that. Wow. That is beautiful. Right up my alley. This is in the colour, well, it says bronze highlighting powder. Does they say bronze is one of them? Yeah, bronze is one of them and this is bronze. I know I've got a shiny face because of all my suntan lotion and stuff today. And this really isn't the right brush, but regular shiny sweaty face. Highlighted shiny sweaty face. I mean, it's still pretty shiny. That is the power of suntan lotion, honestly. But that looks so nice. You can barely see it as well. It really makes it look like the glow is just coming from me. Happy with this, very happy. We have our customary tea bag. We Are Tea Moroccan Mint Green Tea. Okay, whole leaf green tea. Not had this one before. With a perfect balance of green tea and peppermint leaf, this exceptional blend is refreshing, reviving and inspiring. Marrakesh in a cup. Use freshly drawn boiled water that's been allowed to cool to 80 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes, coolage that is, and infuse for 1 to 2 minutes according to personal taste. Our whole leaf biodegradable tea bags allow the tea leaves to dance and release their goodness, resulting in the perfect balance of quality and convenience. And they are part of the Ethical Tea Partnership. I have to say, I did have a mint green tea the other day and I hated it, but I'm willing to give this a chance because it wasn't this brand, that was a Clipper tea. We Are Tea, you might be completely different, so thank you. Oh, second to last thing, and it is this lovely mask from Vita Mask. Thank you very much. Never had this one before. Acai berry, acacia? I want to say acacia, I don't know. Acai berry? Oh my goodness, I used to know how to say that. Anyway, moisturising and brightening Korean face mask makes with extracts of the berry to tighten and smooth your skin. Oh, I like that. Triple layer sheet technology. What time of day should I do this? If it's going to moisturise and brighten, and it says it will tighten and smooth my skin as well. Maybe this is a daytime mask, do you reckon? What do we think? Daytime or nighttime? Depends how long the results last. We don't know until we try. Oh, I don't know. Give your skin a treat with this moisturising clarifying mask from Korean-inspired brand Vita Masks, made from antibacterial tea tree oil that's great for preventing breakouts and soothing aloe vera juice to reduce redness. Oh, interesting. So the one in here is a green one, tea tree, moisturising and clarifying. which would have been awesome, to be honest, because I do have redness. But I have got this one, so I guess maybe they ran out or something. It's not the end of the world because I haven't tried this one either. I might have preferred the other one. But anyway, we have to try them all to work them out, whether they're any good, right? So it's okay, it's not a problem. Last item, and this is the, price-wise, the star of the show. Oh no. Oh no. This is from Jelly Pong Pong, a company which I love. It's a lip scrub, coffee and coconut. And the reason I go, oh no, oh no, oh no, is because I do not like coffee. I barely drink coffee. I will drink it, but barely. So to have it in a scrub is not my favourite. I don't like coffee flavoured sweets or anything ice cream, you know, don't like it. Anyway, it's vegan, there's no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, a shea butter based lip scrub that helps keep your puckers smooth from dead skin, plumped and primed, formulated with pure golden sugar, jojoba and rosehip oil. This jar of lip polish gently removes dry chapped skin, leaving your lips silky enough to glide that perfect colour on without it flaking or feathering on you. Look, I have a twin. This is my one that I already had, and this is the new one. They're exactly the same, so I'm going to put this directly back in the box, and I'm definitely going to put this to one side for a giveaway. That is a shame, because that is the highest value item as well, but it's not all about the cost, is it? It's about how good things are. And so far, I'm loving this. Pow, pow. Sorry, it's late, I'm getting a bit silly. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. Kind of just looks like golden sugar, and it does smell and taste of coffee. It is very nice and fine, and I do like it. As a lip scrub, I think it works great. It's just not a bit of me because I do not like the scent. There's nothing more to add, to be honest, about this. That is it. So, the total value of this month's Betty Box, the summer edition, is £32.68. That is pretty great, isn't it? So that's about 2.5 times the cost of the box, and I did manage to get a discount on this box. I will put a discount code somewhere on the screen, but of course that value is not including the cost of the pads that are in the box as well, which has got to be at least like another £5, £6, £7, £8. I don't know, but I think that is a really good box. As for the items, I am going to use everything apart from the lip scrub, but that's okay because I'm sure that one of you will love it in my next 400 subscriber giveaway, which will be coming up very soon. I do realise it's time for me to do the draw for my current giveaway. I haven't forgotten, don't worry, it'll be coming tomorrow, I think. So I really like this Betty Box. I think I'm going to keep getting it, you know. It enables me to donate things to people. I know I could just go and buy stuff and donate it, but I get all these goodies as well. I really like it, even though I know it's technically not for me. But if you know any young ladies that do need stuff for their periods, then I would recommend this box because I would have loved it when I was younger. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was fun and helpful to find out about July's Betty Box. And until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.